Rex Heuermann, the suspect in the Gilgo Beach killings, now charged in the death of another woman. This making 7 people that he is charged with killing. That hearing is underway right now over issues, pre-litigation, and the victim that is now part of these charges is 24-year-old Valerie Mack. Her remains were found back in 2000 on Long Island. She's been working as an escort, had been working rather as an escort in Philadelphia, was last seen by her family that year in New Jersey. And the investigation into the Gilgo Beach killings dates back to 2010 when police were searching for a missing woman and then found 10 sets of human remains along a Barrier Island Parkway. We're expecting to hear from the district attorney's office this morning with a press conference. They started that hearing about an hour ago. No cameras are allowed inside. So once that hearing is over, we do anticipate hearing something from the prosecution. Let's bring in our guest, though, who's there in New York, retired NYPD deputy inspector and author of Once a Cop. Corey Pegues is with us. Corey, your thoughts on this case, this new news that there's a 7th woman who's being added to the charges. Do you think we will see more in this case?
Yeah, listen, this case has captivated the nation, especially here in New York. I actually reside in Long Island where these crimes happen. I definitely believe that he will be charged with more bodies. And listen, over in that marsh where it's a very extensive area, I wouldn't be surprised if they find more bodies as the years progress.
What do you think it is in terms of the new evidence that kept them from being able to charge him with everyone at once? Because they did already have her remains. Is it the time that it's taking to go back through these likely closed or unsolved case files?
Oh, absolutely. Very tedious process. Again, Judy, I like to tell people police work isn't 40 minutes with 20-minute commercials. So they got to be very tedious in the process to make sure and ensure that once they connect the dots, it's going to stick when they present it.
Yeah, we're seeing those images of the other 6 women who we already knew he was facing those charges for, and now Valerie Mack is the 7th woman that will be added to this list. What does this look like, you think, for families, Corey, when they have no answers for all of these years, and then finally they are hearing that there may be a break in the case?
Well, listen, it brings closure to the family. At least the family can get some closure. And let's just be honest and serious. Thankful that former police commissioner Rodney Harrison came into that police department and made it a priority his first day on the job that he was going to solve that Gilgo Beach murder case.
And you see there that live pic of the podium inside of that courthouse where they are going to be holding that press conference at any moment. We know that hearing is going on. We don't have cameras in that courtroom to show you what's going on in the hearing, but we anticipate that the prosecution may allude to the hearing, but will no doubt make that announcement about the next person who is now on this list and what the process will be for Rex Heuermann, who of course has been behind bars as former architect there in New York. So we'll turn our attention back here once someone does come to that podium.